welcome back to Building in Ghana whilst living abroad. In today's video, our perimeter wall is finally beginning to be built. And in order to do this, we have started digging the foundation that the perimeter wall will be housed on. Now, due to financial constraints, we have decided to do our perimeter walls in sections at a time. This will help relieve the financial burden that building a wall around your plot of land comes with. And so our artisans, as you can see, are beginning to dig the foundation trench that our block work will be housed in. So as you can see, the dig is nearly finished, and so we need to move on to the next step, that is putting the DPC rubber membrane on the floor to stop any water leakage or dampness rising into the block work of our wall. Now that our DPC membrane is in, our builders then turn their attention to constructing the brickwork that will form the perimeter wall around our building. Now, the keen eyes among you would notice that we are not doing the normal block wall with pillar and beam walls, but rather we are building the Sandcrete block wall. Now, what is the difference between the two? Well, the Sandcrete block wall is usually constructed using a 5 to 6 inch concrete block laid on a reinforced concrete footing. Now, the reason why this method is popular is because it's one, affordable, the materials are easy to find, and they are quick to build. To make sure that the foundation is even more stronger, our builder decided to lay the block work flat on its face, so to speak, so that the combined square footage will help solidify the foundation with strength. That is what you can see the masons doing as we speak. In fact, they are doing a great job, and where commendation is due, commendation is given. What then is next? Well, once the foundation stage is out of the ground, our builder then turned the blockwork to its normal position to ensure that we cover a more square area as we go up. And so, what are the pros and cons between Sandcrete block walls and the standard block walls? Well, Sandcrete block walls are, as we said, cheaper to build. They require fewer materials. They just need blocks, mortar and plaster. No need for many steel reinforcement. Also, they are faster installation, and masons can erect a normal block wall very quickly. Good for making boundaries or budget sensitive buildings. They are easy to repair. Repairs are straightforward and inexpensive. Uses widely available materials. Sandcrete blocks are easy to find everywhere in Ghana. The cons are they are difficult to safely build above 6 to 7 feet without reinforcement. So it's something to bear in mind if you want to use the Sandcrete block walls. On the other hand, the block wall with pillars and beams, the cons are concrete pillars and columns. Ring beam creates structural stability, less risk of cracking or collapsing, harder to break through due to steel reinforcement, handles weak soil better, pillars distribute loads and prevent tilting or sinking, and can safely support over 8 to 10 feet or more. The cons are they are more expensive, requires reinforcement steels, more cement and concrete needed, more labor, time and skilled workmanship, slower construction. You must set pillars, cure concrete and align beams, requires skilled contractors, and poorly built pillar or beam can fail and defeat the purpose. So these are the pros and cons when you decide to build your wall. We decided to go for the other because it was cost effective and a builder found ways to strengthen it so that we can achieve the height that is required for our wall security. Hope our video helps you and educates you in the difference between the two. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, as your subscription helps us move the channel forward. So if you haven't done so, please like, share and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you once again, and we hope to see you back very soon.